Hello there and welcome to Full Stack Devlogs. In this video, we will be quickly learning about how to create an Angular project using StackBlitz, how to generate a component. Like StackBlitz is a very new platform and all of us are not that much accustomed to using StackBlitz for development, due to which we still prefer doing it on our local. But trust me, if you're gonna love small tricks and magics and the features provided by StackBlitz, you will start loving it and using it more often. So before we begin, don't forget to motivate me and join me by just hitting the subscribe button so that we are connected and you don't lose any of my content. Thank you, and now let's begin quickly. Let's open stackblitz.com and quickly create a new project. I'm going to select the Angular option here, and we see that the project is created and it is loading the front-end server for me. Okay, so here is our project which is ready and running, and we will see that how it is printing this hello Angular 12. So here let's first come to the app component HTML and start editing to see some magic happen. That's what is printing. And hello name equals to this property name. Let's see from where this property is coming from. Obviously from app component TS, and in app component TS we will see this Angular which is getting like appended with version.major. So version is coming from Angular core and we are getting 12. So we are running on Angular version 12. Now let's quickly jump in and see that instead of all these by default content, we obviously want to create and render our own things by creating our own component. So let's start building. So this is the root of the app root location. Right click here, go to Angular generator, go to component, and we will say full stack dev logs as the name of my channel. We'll just say enter, and we see that beautiful. We have these 3 files created inside the folder full stack dev logs. There is the component ts file which gives us a selector. We'll copy the selector for now. We have the HTML file which say full stack devlog works. Let's give it some beautiful text, and I will say you again that don't forget to subscribe to full stack devlogs. Next we need to bring this content obviously on the front, as we see that is still not here. So we will go to app component HTML and here paste the selector that we copied. Yeah, and we see that our text is coming up here. Don't forget to subscribe to full stack devlogs, right? Next, we want to see that how we can generate pipe. So what is a pipe? Like we give any content to render, right, to the runtime of Angular, and we want Angular to quickly transform the content to something meaningful. Like for example, let me give you a quick demo of it. So I want to say, let me quit video is recorded on, and here I will say today. Obviously it will say that property today does not exist. Let's introduce or define this property here by saying today is equal to new date. This TypeScript, don't forget that, and we see that yes, it gives us the date here. Okay, but we see that we don't want all these characters like exact time and GMT information here along with the date. We just want the date here. So what we can simply do, we can use a ready-made pipe to transform this content by just saying this, giving this pipe along with this property and saying, passing to this parameter, this value of today to this pipe date. Remember, date is an inbuilt pipe given in Angular, and it converts it beautifully to July 19, 2021. Right now, this is an inbuilt pipe, but we want to see how we can generate and use our own pipe inside StackBlitz. So we will again go back to our root folder, right click, Angular generator option, and then we go to pipe. Let's give it some name. Let's give it full stack. Here is the pipe. Now how to use this pipe to understand it quickly, what we will do is we will take a new paragraph here, and we will say that, and now I will say in a string copyright. So I will pass a string as a property, and directly from here I will say copyright here, right? And it says copyright, but no, as you say, there's no copyright. So but I want to transform this copyright every time. How can I use the pipe right now? Can I say pipe full stack? Yes, I can obviously say, but you'll say that the copyright is gone. It's not there like before. Why? Because as we see, it's returning null. So copyright is going in and null is coming out. That's why nothing is rendering. So instead of that, I will say return value. It's again returning the copyright, and then I will append not at all. So we are done with this, and we have seen that how we have created a new component, full stack devlogs, how we have created a new pipe, how we have used the component, newly created component, and how we have used the newly created pipe here, and what all we can do with this. And don't forget, after doing all this, that we have to connect it to a repository, and I will create the repo and push it. So we will go to our own GitHub repository. You should connect it to your repository. I have already connected it. You can see how I have done it in my previous video in this playlist, and you will see that yes, StackBlitz demo YouTube is created here, right? So that's all. And finally, the most important thing, please motivate me, wait for the next content, and for that you need my notifications. You will get it using this subscribe option. Please hit subscribe button, please hit the notification bell icon, and be connected with me, support me. Thank you so much.